Promoting a self-published book on Amazon KDP is both an art and a science, requiring authors to be strategic, persistent, and creative in their approach. With millions of books flooding the platform, getting noticed can feel like an uphill battle, but the right combination of promotional tactics can elevate your book above the competition and place it directly in front of eager readers. Effective book marketing isn't just about selling copies. It's about building an audience, creating lasting connections, and establishing a brand that readers will return to time and time again. Leveraging Amazon's promotional tools. One of the first and most effective steps in marketing a book on KDP is taking advantage of Amazon's built-in promotional tools. Kindle Countdown deals allow authors to temporarily reduce their book's price while still receiving royalties at their regular rate, creating a sense of urgency that can drive sales. Another powerful feature is enrolling in KDP Select, which gives authors access to Amazon's global fund and allows their books to be included in Kindle Unlimited, a subscription service where readers can borrow books freely. By making a book available through Kindle Unlimited, authors gain exposure to a massive audience of voracious readers who might not otherwise have taken a chance on a new author. Offering a book for free for a limited period, another option within KDP Select, can be an excellent way to gain early traction, increase downloads, and encourage reviews, which in turn improves a book's visibility on the platform. Building a strong author platform. Beyond Amazon's ecosystem, authors must establish a strong online presence to ensure their book has a sustainable marketing foundation. A personal website serves as a central hub where readers can learn more about the author, sign up for email newsletters, access exclusive content, and follow updates about upcoming books. A well-designed website with engaging blog content can also improve search engine rankings, drawing organic traffic from Google and other search engines. Social media is another indispensable tool in modern book marketing. Platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn each cater to different demographics, and authors should choose their platforms based on where their target readers are most active. Posting consistently, sharing updates about the book, engaging in conversations, and participating in relevant hashtags can help expand an author's reach. Joining writing communities and reader groups on Facebook or Reddit, for example, can provide opportunities to promote a book in spaces where readers are actively looking for recommendations. The power of paid advertising. While organic growth strategies are valuable, paid advertising can significantly accelerate a book's success. Amazon advertising allows authors to run sponsored ads that appear in search results and on other book pages, targeting readers based on their browsing and purchasing behavior. By carefully selecting relevant keywords and running A/B tests to determine which ads perform best, authors can maximize their return on investment. Beyond Amazon, Google Ads and Facebook ads provide additional ways to target potential readers based on their interests, reading habits, and online behavior. Facebook's advanced targeting capabilities allow authors to reach specific demographics, such as fans of similar authors or readers who have engaged with book-related content. The key to successful advertising is continuous experimentation. Testing different ad creatives, adjusting budgets, and analyzing performance metrics to refine the strategy over time. Local and in-person marketing strategies. While digital marketing is crucial, local marketing can provide an edge by tapping into a more engaged and personal audience. Hosting book signings at local bookstores, coffee shops, or libraries allows authors to interact directly with readers, answer questions, and create memorable experiences that can lead to word-of-mouth recommendations. Speaking engagements at schools, universities, or literary events offer opportunities to discuss the book's themes and attract readers who are genuinely interested in its subject matter. Participating in book fairs and writer conferences provides additional exposure and networking opportunities. Whether at a small local book festival or a major event like Book Expo America, attending in-person gatherings allows authors to build relationships with other writers, publishers, and industry professionals who may provide valuable support and connections. Encouraging and leveraging book reviews. Reviews play a crucial role in influencing purchasing decisions. Books with a high number of positive reviews tend to rank higher in Amazon's search results and attract more readers. To encourage reviews, authors can reach out to friends, family, and early readers, asking them to leave honest feedback. However, it's important to follow Amazon's guidelines on reviews to avoid violations. Joining review programs, such as NetGalley or Book Sirens, allows authors to distribute advance review copies, ARCs, to readers who are willing to provide feedback. Another method is to include a polite request for reviews at the end of the book, reminding readers how valuable their feedback is in helping other readers discover new books. The power of email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to promote a book and maintain long-term engagement with readers. Building an email list allows authors to communicate directly with their audience, share exclusive content, announce promotions, and offer sneak peeks of upcoming projects. A compelling lead magnet, such as a free short story, bonus chapter, or exclusive discount, can entice readers to subscribe. Newsletters should provide value beyond just sales pitches. Sharing behind-the-scenes insights, writing tips, or personal anecdotes creates a more personal connection with subscribers, increasing their loyalty and likelihood of supporting future books. Collaborating with other authors. Working with fellow authors can open doors to new audiences. Cross-promotions, such as joint giveaways, newsletter swaps, or guest appearances on each other's blogs, allow authors to introduce their books to readers who already enjoy similar genres. Collaborative efforts can take many forms, from co-hosting virtual author events to bundling books together in a limited-time promotion. Utilizing influencer and affiliate marketing. Book influencers, bloggers, and YouTubers can significantly impact book sales by introducing a book to their audience. Reaching out to influencers in the book community and offering a free copy in exchange for an honest review or feature can generate buzz and credibility. Affiliate marketing is another approach where bloggers, social media personalities, or websites promote the book in exchange for a commission on each sale. This strategy is particularly effective when working with influencers who have a dedicated following of avid readers. Optimizing book presentation. A book's cover, title, and description play a huge role in attracting readers. A professionally designed cover that aligns with the genre and appeals to the target audience increases the likelihood of clicks and purchases. Similarly, a compelling book description that highlights the book's unique elements and hooks the reader's interest can make a significant difference. Proper keyword research ensures that the book appears in relevant search results. Tools like Publisher Rocket can help authors identify high-traffic, low-competition keywords that increase visibility on Amazon. Expanding your reach through content marketing. Writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, or producing podcast episodes related to the book's themes can attract new readers who discover you as the author. A book trailer, an engaging cinematic preview, can be shared on social media, your website, and platforms like YouTube to generate interest. A dedicated landing page for the book, complete with purchase links, reviews, an author bio, and a promotional video, serves as a one-stop destination for potential readers. Book marketing is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. Consistency, adaptability, and a willingness to experiment are key to long-term success. By leveraging Amazon's tools, establishing a strong online presence, engaging in strategic paid advertising, and actively participating in both local and digital book communities, you can significantly increase your visibility and build a loyal readership. The journey of promoting a self-published book is as much about passion as it is about strategy. Each interaction, each reader gained, and each piece of feedback received contributes to a larger narrative, one that extends beyond a single book and shapes an author's career. Well, that sums it up, guys. For more videos on KDP, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.